Matchbox 2004 Ford Excursion. The Matchbox 2004 Ford Excursion was released in 2025. Let's open the card. The color of the car is metal flake dark blue, and it has 6 spoke utility sport wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights and Ford logo. On the back, it has detailed taillights, Ford and Excursion logo. Clear window tint. Chrome plastic base. Matchbox Tesla Model X. The Matchbox Tesla Model X was released in 2023. Let's open the card. The color of the car is gray, and it has black split 10-spoke wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights and Tesla logo. On the back, it has Tesla logo, 0 emissions on license plate, and detailed taillights. Clear window tint and clear tint plastic roof. Dark gray plastic base. Matchbox 1994 Lexus LS 400. The Matchbox 1994 Lexus LS 400 was released in 2022. Let's open the card. The color of the car is pearl beige, and it has ringed disc wheels. On the front, it has Lexus logo and detailed headlights. On the back, it has detailed taillights, Lexus lettering and logo. Clear window tint. Gray plastic base. Matchbox, 1971 Nissan Skyline 2000G TX. The Matchbox 1971 Nissan Skyline 2000G TX was released in 2022.
Let's open the card.
The color of the car is matte slate blue, and it has ringed disc wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights and trim. On the back, it has 1971 on license plate, Skyline lettering and detailed tail lights. Smoke window tint. Chrome plastic base.